Hello everyone, Miss Rita here. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So today we are going to start the practice set number 2.2. In 2.2, question number 1 is given. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method. And the factorization method we have learned in the lower class how to split the terms. The question is given, first one, x square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. Here we have to see the first term is given x square and the third term is given 54. So first term will multiply by third term. So here we get 1 into 54, 54. We have to split 54 so that we can get minus 15, the middle term. So 9 6 are 54 and minus plus 9 plus 6 is 15. We got minus 15. So in the place of minus 15x, we will write what? Minus 9x and minus 6x. So our first term was x square. The middle term was minus 15x. Instead of that, we will write minus 9x minus 6x plus 54 equal to 0. Now starting two term, x square minus 9x. What is the common between them? X. What is left behind? X minus 9. Same bracket will copy in the second term also. So in the minus 6x, x is gone inside. What is left? Minus 6 equal to 0. Common bracket is x minus 9. And outside the bracket we have x and minus 6 equal to 0. It means we have x minus 9 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. Now minus 9 will go to the right side, become positive 9. And minus 6 become positive 6. So here we have the answer. 9 and 6 are the root of the given quadratic equation. Understood? Same way we will solve all the sums. The second one is given x square plus x minus 20 equal to 0. So x square have the coefficient 1 and minus 20. So 1 into minus 20 we get what? Minus 20. Here we want plus 1. The middle term is x. The coefficient is 1. So we want plus 1. 4 5 are 20. We want positive 1. So we'll put the positive sign to the 5. The negative sign to the 4. So 5 minus 4 we get positive 1. Instead of middle term, what we'll put? Minus 4x and plus 5x. What is the common in these two? X is common and left is what? X minus 4. Same bracket will copy. In the third term, we'll see x is gone inside. What is remain? Plus 5. So common bracket we have x minus 4 and uncommon bracket we have x plus 5 equal to 0. So x minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. Minus 4 will go to the right side, become positive 4. Plus 5 become minus 5. So 4 and minus 5 are the root of the given quadratic equation. Understood? Now the third sum is given. 2y square plus 27y plus 13 equal to 0. In the first term we have 2y square, means the coefficient is 2. The third term we have 13. So 2 into 13 we get 26. 13 into 2 we get 26. But we want middle term is 27. 26 1 is 26. If we add 26 plus 1 is 27. So here variable we have to use y because it is given y. Instead of 27y we will write 26y and plus 1y. In the starting what is the common? 2 and y is common. 2 and y is came out. What does it mean? Y plus the 2 table 26 come how many time? 13 time. Y is already out. Same bracket will copy y plus 13. The middle wala 1y. Y came inside. What does it mean? Plus 1. So y plus 13 and 2y plus 1 equal to 0 is our solution. After that plus 13 equal to 0. 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Plus 13 become minus 13. plus 1 become minus 1 and 2 is given in the multiplication become divide. So here we get the answer minus 13 and minus 1 upon 2 are the root of the given quadratic equation. Now fourth one, 5m square equal to 22m plus 15. We'll arrange in the quadratic form. 22m will come to the left side, become minus 22m, plus 15 become minus 15. So in the first term we have the coefficient 5, in the third term we have the coefficient minus 15. 5 into minus 15 we get minus 75. But the middle term we have minus 22. In which table minus 75 come? 25 3s are. And 25 minus 3 we get 22. Bigger number sign is 25, so minus 22. The place of minus 22m will take minus 25m and 3m. So here we get, so by mistake here I forgot to write 15, to write. What is the common? 5m is common. M gone inside, minus, in the 5 table 25 comes 5s. Same bracket will copy here. What is remain now? Plus 3. So common bracket is m minus 5 and uncommon bracket is 5m plus 3 equal to 0. So minus 5 become plus 5 and plus 3 become minus 3 and 5 is given multiplication become divide. So 5 and minus 3 upon 5 is the root of the quadratic equation. Now next sum is fifth one, 2x square minus 2x plus 1 upon 2 equal to 0. Your denominator is given 2. So multiplying both the side by 2, we get 2 2s are 4x square, 2 2s are 4x plus 2 to cut. So we get plus 1 equal to 0. In the first term coefficient is 4, in the third term the coefficient is 1. 4 1s are 4. But we need minus 4 the middle term. So minus 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4, minus minus plus, so 2 to 4. We'll substitute this value, we'll remove the common term 2x. In the table of 2, 4 is coming 2 times and x is already 1 out, then 1 will go inside, minus, and 2x is already full out. Nothing is remains, so what will write? 1. Same bracket will copy. Here you can see 2x plus 1 is given. 2x is already inside, nothing is remained. What is the sign is given? Minus, so minus 1 will come. We will take common bracket and uncommon bracket. 2x minus 1 equal to 0 and 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So minus 1 become plus 1 and 2 is given, the multiplication become divide. So answer is 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 are the root of the given quadratic equation. Now next, 6x minus 2 upon x equal to 1. Now here denominator is given x, so multiplying both the side by x, we get 6x square minus 2 upon x into x means x will cut 2, 1 into x is 1x. We'll arrange this equation. So we get 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. The first term coefficient is 6 and the third term coefficient is minus 2. 6 into minus 2 we get minus 12. But we need what? Middle term is given minus 1. So 4 3s are 12. We want minus, we will put the minus into the bigger number. So minus 4 plus 3, minus plus minus. So we get minus 1. Substitute the value. What is the common among the 6x square minus 4x? 2 and x. So 2 is came out. 2, how many are 6? 2 3s are 6. 1 x is remain. Minus 2, how many are 4? 2 2s are 4. Same bracket will copy. In third term if you see 3x minus 2 is given. 3x came inside, nothing is left, then 1. The sign is given plus. So common bracket, uncommon bracket will take equal to 0. So 3x minus 2 equal to 0. 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So minus 2 will go to the right side, become positive 2 upon 3 minus 1 plus 1 is given, become minus 1 upon 2. 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 2 are the root of the given quadratic equation. Now seventh one is given in the activity form, student. Under root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 under root 2 equal to 0. To solve the quadratic equation by factorization, complete the following activity. Here the answer I wrote with the red color. So here first term we have the under root 2, the third term we have the 5 under root 2. So under root 2 into 5 into under root 2. Root 2 became 2. 5 2 is 10. We want 7. So 2 5 is 10. So 2 plus 5 is 7. We'll substitute this value. In the place of 7x, we'll write 5x and 2x. What is the common between the under root 2x square plus 5x? X is common. What is left? Under root 2x plus 5. Same bracket we'll write. Answers are written in the red color. Common bracket and uncommon bracket. Under root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. X plus under root 2 equal to 0. Plus 5 become minus 5. And the under root 2 is given the multiplication become divide. So here also plus under root 2 is given become minus under root 2. So these two are our root of the quadratic equation. Now 8th sum is given 3x square minus 2 under root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. So 3 2s are 6. So here we got 6. But we need minus 2 root 6. How we can get root 6 into root 6 is 6. If we add minus minus plus, we will take 1 plus 1, 2 root 6. Substitute the value. In the 3, we have 2 under root 3. In the 6, we have under root 3 and under root 2. So among them, we have the common root 3x. So what is left? Root 3x minus root 2. Same bracket will copy. Root 6, we have the root 3 also, root 2 also. Root 3 is gone inside. What is left? Root 2. Take common bracket, uncommon bracket. Equal to 0. Minus root 2 become plus root 2. Root 3 is given the multiplication become divide. So these two are our root of the quadratic equation. The 9th one, I hope you will understand how to solve this bracket. 2m multiplied by m we get 2m square minus 2m multiplied by 24 we get 48m equal to 50. Now 50 will come to the left side become minus 50. The first term the coefficient is 2 and the third term coefficient is minus 50. 52 is 100. So 100 we have to split that, we want minus 48. Or we can do directly dividing both the side by 2. We get m square minus 24m minus 25 equal to 0. 25 1 is 25. We want minus 24. So 25 1 ja. We want in the minus sign. So we will keep the minus into the 25. Substitute the value. We get what is the common between m square minus 25m. M is a common. What is left? M minus 25. Same bracket will copy here. The third term m is gone inside. What is left? Plus 1. Take common bracket and uncommon bracket equal to 0. So minus 25 become plus 25. Plus 1 become minus 1. So these two are the root of the given quadratic equation. Now question number 10 is given 25m square equal to 9. We'll arrange this. 25m square minus 9 equal to 0. Student, in the lower class you have learned the formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. So 25 is the square of 5 and 9 is the square of 3. So formula we are going to take a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. So our a is 5 and b is 3. We will take one in the positive and one time in the negative. Same we will do. 5m minus 3 equal to 0 and 5m plus 3 equal to 0. Minus 3 become plus 3 upon 5. Plus 3 become minus 3 upon 5. So these two are the root of the given quadratic equation. Here you can identify this formula how, because the 25 is the square of 5 and 9 is the square of 3. Now 11th one, student. 7m square equal to 21m. But 7 is not the square of any number and 21 is also not a square of any number. First of all, we will arrange this number. 21m will come to the left side become minus 21. If you see in the 7m square and 21m, what is the common? 7 is common and m is common. So what is left? M minus 7 3 is 21. So 7m equal to 0, m minus 3 equal to 0. 7 is given the multiplication become divide, minus 3 become plus 3. So 0 upon 7 value is 0. So our answer is 0 and 3 are the root of the given quadratic equation. And the last sum is given m square minus 11 equal to 0. 11 is not a square of any number but is the square of under root 11. So we'll take the here of the same formula, m square minus under root 11 whole square. Both in the square, so we can use the formula a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. M minus under root 11, m plus under root 11 equal to 0 will take. Minus root 11 become plus and plus the number become minus. So under root 11 minus under root 11 is the root of the quadratic equations. I hope you have understood and thank you for watching this video.